I'm Professor Awen Gallimore and I'm the theme lead for cancer research at the College of Life Sciences, Cardiff University. You're about to hear some short clips from researchers at the School of Medicine. The intention of these is to show you that despite the challenges posed by COVID-19, cancer research has been ongoing.
Hi everyone, I'm Lorenzo, a first-year PhD student at Cardiff University, and during lockdown I've been very busy summarizing research about a protein called LAG3, which we aim to study as a novel target for cancer immunotherapies. I've also been developing my bioinformatics skills so that I'm better equipped to analyze my own data and the data of other members in our lab. And I've been working with a team of game designers to develop a cancer immunology-focused game that we can use as a teaching tool to portray across how we aim to manipulate the immune system to improve outcomes in cancer patients. So overall, I've been very busy.
Hi, my name is Jake, and I'm a second-year PhD student at Cardiff University. During lockdown, I've managed to write a chapter of my PhD thesis and get quite a bit of data analysis done. I've also been fortunate enough to be granted essential worker access, enabling me to continue the development of a therapeutic cancer vaccine, which is the primary focus of my PhD. I've also been researching novel and exciting models of colorectal cancer to better understand the mechanisms underlying this disease.
Hi, my name is Alicia. I'm a first-year PhD student at Cardiff University, and during this lockdown, I've been analyzing all the data obtained during this past year, but also as the project I'm involved in consists to develop a new virus able not only to kill cancer cells, but also to reactivate the immune system, so it would also be able to kill those cancer cells. I've been planning new experiments, not only to prove the potency as a new therapy, but also to improve it. So yeah, I've been kind of busy these days.
Hi everybody, I'm Rebecca, a postdoctoral researcher in the Parker Lab at Cardiff University. I've been keeping myself busy during lockdown by designing a range of cancer immunotherapies which can be inserted into adenoviruses, which have been specifically designed to recognise and kill cancer cells. I've been drafting both ethics and project proposals to allow me to test these immunotherapies going forward. And in addition, I've been summarising the latest advances in cancer immunotherapies to go towards a publication with fellow colleagues at Cardiff University. Overall, I'm now in a really great position to get back into the lab and start work on my new project without delay.
My name is Stefan Milutinovic. I'm a final year PhD student at Cardiff University. And despite not having any access to labs during lockdown, I've actually been able to remote connect to a dedicated image analysis PC workstation that we have here in the lab. And effectively what this has allowed me to do is to analyze all the data sets that I have so far acquired during my PhD. So I've been able to now assess the impact of several immunotherapeutic strategies for altering the tumor vasculature in an effort to boost effective anti-tumor immune responses. In addition, I've also been very fortunate to receive a training grant for a 6-month-long bioinformatics course run by UCL called SISMIC. And I've already started this course. I'm now almost halfway through it, and it will no doubt build my quantitative skills as a scientist, but I'm sure that a lot of the new knowledge gained will be directly applicable to many biological questions that we would like to answer in our lab.
Hi, I'm Sarah, a postdoctoral researcher at Cardiff University. Throughout lockdown, I've continued to work on a project where we manipulate the immune response to try and control cancer. Specifically, I used an inhibitor of a protein that immune cells use for signalling called PI3 kinase delta and look at the effect this has on tumour control. I've also been busy finishing and publishing another paper where I've depleted an immune cell subset called regulatory T cells and looked at the effect this has on primary breast cancer and its associated metastatic nodules. As a lab group, we've worked together to write a book chapter that discusses the methodology that we have here in Cardiff and how this can be used by other lab groups around the world to further cancer research.